Hello everybody, welcome back to tutorial number 5. I'm pretty sure it's on 5, it's been a few weeks. What am I doing? Huetopian Dream. The last tutorial I did was more of, what is it? I focused on this one with the bronzy, having a bronzy moment. I actually kind of want to focus on this one today, maybe with a little bit of this. This doesn't get as deep as I really want it, but looking at the palette and playing with it, after a few tutorials, I'm starting to realize this is really more of a lot of color and a lot more hues and more focus on obviously spring and summer, which is more bright and vibrant. So this doesn't get as deep as I want it to, but in that aspect, I appreciate having that color. Allergies are in full effect right now. I have my Kleenex. But let me go ahead and prep my eyes with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer. We are in fall, it is October, so I mean obviously my skin is still trying to adjust in every aspect. Getting old. Let me go and prep my eyes and we'll get right into it. Alright, so the eyes are prepped with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with an eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with this guy and put it into the crease. Going in with a fluffy brush. I'm pretty sure this is Naked Urban Naked 2 maybe? Naked 1 eyeshadow brush. But I'm just going to go ahead and put that right in the crease. Can you put shimmers in the crease? Of course. Why not? Alright. Because I'm kind of curious if it will add some depth or if it's just more of a sparkle. And now I'm fine. Perfect. So in the last video, I think I mentioned that it's September. Now it is October 3rd, 4th, something like that. So I'm definitely losing a lot of my color. And I have recently been studying a lot more Dutch at home, Duolingo, Falu. I recently had 2 tests for my residency. Hopefully that goes pretty well. But I did my schrijven and my lezen again. First time taking my writing test and my second time taking the reading test. So hopefully I did better this second time with my reading. I hope so. But doing this as the crease, because I just really want to get out of the typical shimmers only on the lid type of thing. I just want to become more artsy, I guess you could say. Not really. I just want to experiment more with shadows and get more into my creative editorial aspect of love for makeup going again. But going in with a fluffy brush. I think this is from the Electric Bloom or whatever. But just gonna go ahead and blend that out. Blend. Awesome. Now I'm gonna go in with, are they twins? There we go. My ring finger and go in with that bronze one. I literally put that all over the lip. I swear these shadows do not play. And then right into the lip. Oh. But the thing about these shades, and especially this bronze gold one, is like it's almost like in every palette. Just a different hue. It's actually not bad. Okay, this is cute. I'll deal with it since we're already here. So this is what that's looking like. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too shabby. Going in with this just to really blend out. I do love how it just sparkles everywhere. Like wherever it lands, and no matter where you turn, you are gonna have a sparkling shift, which is gorgeous. Now, going into the Plum Noir Was this a Plum Noir? Yeah. Extreme Burgundy, I think was in 2, whatever. And we are gonna see if we could get some depth. We're gonna see if we could get some depth with this Plum Noir. Barely. We'll make do with what we get. It is what it is at this point. But this Plum Noir is actually blending. It almost seems like it's the base of this bronze a little bit, because it's really blending into that perfectly fine. Alright, perfect, perfect. Always just blend to your desired effect. Not blend, but also build up to the drama you want. I don't know if I want to do a black liner or maybe a brown. I feel like black. I've been using black a lot because I feel like it's going to be so harsh. And I love that dramaticness it brings to every look. But like I said, I want to keep this a little bit more cash. Alright. I'm going with a liner brush to see if I could get more of definition along the lash line. Okay. Cute. Alright. I think at this point it's gonna be more of what it looks like on camera. I mean, one side is bigger than the other, of course. This is the only thing about having hooded eyes. And different shaped eyelids. It's just so annoying. One side is always bigger than the other. Alright, so I think for the most part, it's as good as it's gonna get. But I'm actually kind of liking it. I really hate warm tones on me, but this is actually really cute. She's cute. Okay. You know what? And for the brow bone, let us go into. Let's just go and use the opal skin show, or the skin show in here, whatever it is. It's almost like more icy in a sense compared to how warm all of this is. Alrighty then. Let me go ahead and blend it in a little bit more and add a little bit more depth, and then we'll see where we are at. Alright, so this is where we are at. I went ahead and went in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Eye Pencil in the number 2, Coffee. And I just went ahead and did the Plum Noir right on top of it. Is it Plum Noir in this one? Whatever. The dark matte one in this one. So this is where we are at. I actually do like this look. It's very summer, even though it's October right now. Like, this is really making me miss summer a lot. But I do love that bronze shade on the lid, because like wherever you tap it, wherever it falls, at least when you turn, you start to have that glisten, which is beautiful. Just because you never know. You want to glisten. So yeah, this is where we are at, tutorial number 5. So let me go and do the rest of my face. I'm still using LM, trying to like sharpen it, and then it does this. LM14, and I'm still using LM14 for concealer as well. And then for foundation, LM14. I think I'm going to continue using this Becca Perfecting Base Velvet Blurring Primer, which I do like, and it's more of a kind of a corrector because it's more peach, so it helps to brighten kind of. Lord knows I need that right now with this winter kicking in. But oh god, you gotta be kidding me! Did I do this upside down? Yes, I did. Maybe that's why I broke Cyrus. That is why. Let me go and do the rest of my face, and we will see the final look in a moment. Oh, and I need to blow my nose already. I said it's allergy season. Yesterday was nice and sunny, so obviously everything started to bloom again and just fracked up my sinuses. So even my sinuses don't know what to do. But let me go do the rest of my face and we'll be back on the final look. Alright, so this is the final look. I'm actually really digging it. Oh, my dark circles are gone. I gotta love makeup. So I went ahead and set with the Anastasia Beverly Hills setting spray and also the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush Flawless setting spray as well. Brows are still Becca. I think this is gonna last a while because I love it. Like for camera, this looks really good. In real life, it's a little intense. For blush, I actually went ahead and went in with the Patrick Ta. She's So LA. And this is what I have on for blush, actually. So we're just gonna go ahead and intensify just right there. Perfect. I actually really love this formulation. It's actually really cute. She is So LA. I used to live in LA, miss LA a lot. LA will forever have my heart. But yeah, this is Bronze Dawn for bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury. And wow, Pat McGrath Bronze Dawn is what I have on for bronzer. I went ahead and used the light powder, which I'm going to use again. The light for under eyes. And just to really set everything. This setting powder for the under eyes I do love more for photo shoots or for an event, but as far as long day, all day wear, it's decent. But yeah, so this is the final look. I am loving this palette more and more because Charlotte Tilbury's Supermodel. Yeah, you guys are gonna watch me do my lips. This is how I do them. Just really feather out the edges. And Oculus Glass and Pale Fire Nectar obviously on top. Love it. Who is she? Easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. This actually, I really do love this look. I'm not gonna lie. So this is the final look of the Huetopian Dream tutorial number 5. I'm gonna try to get up to 12 tutorials with this, which I think I could probably do. But for the most part, this is a banger. Obviously, my nose is having a little situation, and I'm like really not. I need to take pictures like ASAP, so I could blow my nose. But tutorial number 5, I'm really loving this tutorial a lot more. The clouds are coming in. The bronzer, the Bronze Dawn. I think the last tutorial I use Desert Glow. Is that what it's called? Desert Glow in the last one. So you can really see the difference from that one to this one. I think Bronze Dawn definitely has a little bit more of a natural, everyday type of, like a hint of a bronzer. So if I really wanted to amp this up, this is going to be Desert Glow. So let me just go ahead and do, you can just see it really start to come in a little bit more amped. But it is a little too dark that it started to add a little bit of a ashy cast. So I think moving forward, Bronze Dawn will definitely be my bronzer. Oh, and for highlighter, I went old school. I did the Divine Rose Skin Fetish Ultra Glow highlighter. So yeah, this is the final look. I am loving this tutorial so far. I hope I am, because I spent a lot of money on it and I waited for a freaking month for it to come. Yeah, falls in the air. Oh, I love it. But tutorial number 5, literally just 1, 2, 3, 4 shadows from it. But I do love this bronze, what is it, 003, 005 or something like that, the different textures it has. But it just, oh my gosh, it's beautiful, 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 beautiful. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have this palette, pull it out. Let's play with it a little bit more. Let's get it more in depth into the hues that you can really create with this palette. But bags, no bags, 20. Still LM14 for the, I mean, is this still a little, it's good enough shade match for now. I say in another month I'll probably go back down to LM11. That's how light I get. During the summer I was M18, a medium 18, so you guys could really see the difference of how dark and tan I could get to how light and deathly looking I could be. So I will see you guys next tutorial.